The chakras. Chakras are centers of consciousness and energy vortices within the human energy field described above. That operate as intake organs for energy. Chakra is the Sanskrit word for wheel, or the life force center. A chakra spins in circular motion,
is approximately 3 to 4 inches in diameter, controls one's emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being, and has been described as a wheel of light. Brennan sees them as funnels of energy that exist on each of the 7 levels of the auric field. They exist along and within the spinal column. There are 7 primary ones along the spinal column, several minor ones in other parts of the body, and others existing above the crown area of the head. The soul, a subatomic ectoplasm substance, is the holder of our life force energy, and this energy is further held together by our chakras. The soul works cooperatively with our body through the nervous system and brain by managing the energy currents that provide us with life. Chakras receive the vital life force energy and distribute it to our total human energy field as well as to the parts of the body nearest each chakra. The distribution of energy affects our mental and emotional behaviors. The energy, or source of life, taken in by the chakras is known as prana, or chi. We receive prana through proper breathing and air intake. When we receive a full, rich supply of chi energy, the chakras radiate intense, bright colors. Simultaneously, the surrounding organs also receive full energy supplies and experience balance. When a chakra is not working properly, or when there is an insufficient supply of chi energy, the chakra becomes weak, the immune system is depressed, and disease or emotional instability results. Each chakra is connected to spiritual principles, an understanding of which aids in our growth. Learning about the spiritual forces connected to each chakra provides us with tools to live productive, fulfilling lives. This awareness also gives us the knowledge of how to counterattack the destructive forces that try and diminish our energy. There are 7 major chakras that provide a vertical power center through the middle of the body. The energy from these 7 chakras moves up and down the center line of the body like an interwoven rope of all colors, beginning at the base of the spine and ending above the top of the head. The lower 2 chakras govern physical energies, the middle 3 chakras govern personality development, and the top 2 chakras govern spiritual practices and the acquisition of higher human characteristics, such as the encompassing of unconditional love. As we evolve, each of these chakras opens more fully, supporting our transformation and acquisition of higher powers. The higher one evolves, the higher frequency of light one emits. All chakras radiate specific vibrations comparable to the notes of the musical scale. The lower chakra emits a lower, deeper note, and the highest 7 chakra emits a high frequency. Consequently, each chakra emits sounds and sends them outside of the body. For the sake of simplification, there are a total of 12 major chakras positioned in the soul, 7 of which comprise the spiritual foundation connected to the psyche in the body. The other 5 chakras positioned above the 7th chakra are related to universe and earth and serve to connect us through our higher selves to vibrational states of higher consciousness. In courses of advanced study, it is revealed that there are other chakras that are operating in energy fields, but for the purposes of this book, these need not to be mentioned at this time. Each of the 7 major chakras is located near a nerve center. The first chakra is located between the legs. This chakra is connected to our gonads. It is related to our will to live and our physical and sexual vitality, and it stimulates the creativity of the soul and grounds the soul in the present embodiment. These are its primary functions. This chakra maintains the life force energy that flows through us from birth to death.
It supplies energy to the spinal column, the adrenals, and the kidneys, and usually is associated with the color red. In former times, this chakra was associated strictly with sexual activity. As a result, it received considerable attention as a necessary chakra for survival. This appears to conflict with principles of those on the spiritual path, so a concerted effort was made by many in authority to diminish this chakra and disconnect it in the hopes that it would atrophy. This was done to provide freedom to the soul so that it could evolve in the spiritual realms. Today, with mass consciousness awakening to a higher, more spiritually evolved plane, it has been obvious that in order for us to evolve, we must accept and ground this first chakra in our everyday experiences rather than to deny its existence. Therefore, our human sexuality needs to be aligned with our total human experience. The second chakra is seen in both the front and the back of the body, as are the third through the sixth chakra. It often is reported to be orange in color. It is related to sensuality, to physical rejuvenation, and to our immune system. In some descriptions of chakras, this chakra splits into two, or is shown as having two functions. The function of the first half of this chakra, related to the pancreas, connects us to the lower kingdoms of plants, animals, and minerals. It registers the lessons we have either learned or not learned in previous existences related to our personal experience with self or our experiences with nature. The second half of this chakra, related to the spleen, covers our past life and present life experiences relating to constructive and destructive relationships we have had with others. It has the capacity of affecting the RNA and DNA coding we carry within. This half of the chakra also provides for our spiritual inheritance, in that painful lessons from the past can be turned into positive experiences through this energy vortex, thus guaranteeing spiritual growth and rewards in this lifetime. The third chakra is found in the solar plexus area and is known to be the opening to the soul. This chakra has the power to transform anything with its spiritual energy. It is called the creative chakra and directs all creative endeavors one wishes to experience. In centuries past, many wise adepts taught that this chakra contained the source of our power. Today, as humanity has evolved higher in the intellectual arena, that power center has moved up to the fourth chakra. This chakra has the power to consume and transform all that is discordant in the lower two chakras, once an individual begins a chakra alignment on a spiritual path. The third chakra also supplies the internal organs with energy and is associated with intuition. Its color is yellow, and it is connected to the glandular system within the body. The heart chakra, the fourth chakra, is the center of one's higher emotions and has the ability to synthesize past and present unfavorable situations that are stamped in the soul, harmonize them, and actually accelerate consciousness and one's electron spin. This function serves to assist us to manifest our spiritual blueprints which determine our missions in life. The fourth chakra is also called the balancing chakra between the lower three, yang, and the upper three, yin, chakra centers. It is related to giving and receiving love, both for the self and for others, and governs emotions such as kindness, joy, compassion, affection, and benevolence. This chakra provides energy to the heart, circulatory system, thymus, vagus nerve, and upper back. It, along with the lower three chakras, influences our health and can be used to reverse adverse health conditions acquired from either present or past life experiences. The color green frequently is associated with this chakra. The fifth chakra, and I will read about that in the next one because I'm running out of the 10 minutes. See you then.